Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some pretty pixie and bob haircut ideas. Here we see a transformation of her going from long hair to this beautiful bob. Absolutely gorgeous. She has so much volume in her hair with this particular angle bob. Love how the bangs were kept extremely long in the front. Gorgeous cuts. And then we see someone with purple hair getting a pixie haircut. The stylist added face framing bangs, really gave this pixie a nice shape and texture throughout. Stunning. And then we see a big chop transformation. So she has super long hair and the stylist is cutting it. Looks like she's going to be getting a pixie haircut as well. And of course she does have natural curly wavy hair, so she can actually wear her pixie cut curly or straight. Lots of options to play around with. Very nice. And then we see someone else with curly hair. So she is also cutting her hair into a pixie cut. Oh, she looks so beautiful. Love the texture that the stylist created with the curls. Makeup and everything is just flawless. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles seen in today's video, don't forget to give this one a like and of course hit that subscribe button so you never miss a hair video. Now there are quite a few options to play around with if you are thinking of cutting your hair and you have curly hair. I am going to be putting together a curly haircut video. So if you do have curly hair, be on the lookout for that one. Here we see this beautiful bob. This one comes to around neck length and she is rocking the undercolor trend. Beautiful pink tone underneath the brunette. Gorgeous way to rock some color. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this one a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.